Right, what we're making tonight is a grilled beef tomatoes with chili, ginger and garlic. It's from the famous Ottolenghi simple cookbook, really good, and that's how it should look like. Really easy, this dish. You simply slice your beef tomatoes, put them onto a tray like so, sprinkle a little bit of salt on top, grate the ginger, the garlic, fry that off, and then we're going to put it on top of the grilled tomato. So it's a real winner. It's good to use the tomatoes, beef tomatoes, which are really big, but also good when they're not too ripe. You know, heat it up in the oven and really bring out those juices. Really good. A bit like the beef tomato carpaccio, and a bit more flavour. You can have this as a starter or accompanied like a steak or anything like that. Really good. So the core ingredients for this is obviously you've got the beef tomatoes. We're going to need some sea salt, we're going to need garlic clove, ginger, some mustard seeds, black if you have, but I'm just going to use some white, not essential, and then coriander, which we're actually going to use the stalks for this, and then red chilli. I've actually got some pre-done chilies myself, but submerge it into an olive oil. This is really good. I can just use that pre-made. So now we're just going to grate the ginger. We're consuming a lot of ginger and garlic at the moment, so it's a really good, there's a lot here. It's better to grate it and then you preserve it with vinegar or olive oil or even alcohol. Submerge it in some rum or some vodka and then you can make a ginger beer or something like that. It's a great thing to buy in fresh. It has so much more health properties when you have it fresh. So I'm just going to put aside what we're using today. So we're going to use one whole garlic. Push that down. Get my trusty device to get rid of the skins off the garlics. Gonna roll that with a bit of massage. Just got all these garlics done. Then we're gonna separate the coriander stalks from the leaves, just by stripping these. It's quite unusual how the recipe asks for coriander stalks. It's usually something you throw away or you can put in a vegetable stock. We've got this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these into half. It asks for them to be 2 to 4 centimetres. So you can see here we've got the garlic, the ginger and the coriander stalks all ready to fry off. So what I'm going to do is going to get the pan hot, so we're going to put some oil in there. In my case, I'm going to put some of the ready-made ginger and the olive oil straight in the pan, fry that off with the ginger and the garlic, and then we're going to add coriander stalks. Then once that's fried off, we're going to add the coriander stalks. And we're going to fry that off. And then I'm going to brush the tomatoes with a bit of chilli oil. And then we're going to sprinkle some black pepper onto the tomatoes. So really nicely seasoned. Right, so once this is done, we're going to grill the tomatoes. Right, so grilled tomatoes have been finished. They look absolutely wonderful. So there we go, and then what we're going to do now is we're going to sprinkle the top. And then it's going to get